Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix a frozen or black screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got this and you're worried because your screen was frozen. How do you actually go ahead and fix this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and find the power button, which is right over here. And you want to press and hold this until you force turn off your Switch 2. So go ahead and hold it. First, the menu is going to appear, but continue holding it, and then that's going to force turn off your Nintendo Switch 2. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to power it back on, and we're going to go through some things so that you don't run into a frozen screen or black screen ever again. So what you're going to do is that once your Switch 2 is loaded up, let's actually go ahead and make sure that our Switch 2 is up to date with the latest firmware. So we're going to navigate to where it says System Settings, and then we're going to scroll down to where it says System, and then you're just going to click on System Update. Now, normally what happens is that people's Switch 2 is set to automatically update. So if you scroll down, you can see that there's a tab here that says Software Auto Updates. If this for some reason is toggled off, then make sure that you update your system to the latest version. Next, what you're going to do next is that you want to scroll down and click on Data Clear Options, and then you're just going to clear cache. So what this is going to do is that it's going to remove any unnecessary or unused cache website data, which should help with the performance of your Nintendo Switch 2. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix a frozen or black screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.